Found an FLN file and unsure which application created it? This is a rare extension without standardized documentation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through investigating these mystery FLN files. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the FLN error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. FLN files are uncommon files without widely documented format specifications. They may originate from specialized software custom applications or proprietary data tools. Determining the source application is critical for proper opening and handling of these unusual file types. Without documentation, FLN files require investigation to identify their format. They may contain configuration data project files or proprietary binary structures. Hex header analysis combined with file signature databases helps determine the underlying format and originating application. The source application for FLN is frequently listed as HXD from Mael-Hurst. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows gives little information, requiring programs designed for the format's era. The easiest way to rule out a simple failure is testing. Right-click your FLN file and choose Open With. Use HXD first. If it's not there, try another application. A quick test is very revealing. Rather than guessing, let's understand the root cause. Before we deploy the universal fix, here are the most common technical reasons your FLN file is generating this error. First, identifying the source. Check where the FLN file came from, including email attachments, download sources, or related files in the same folder. The Windows Properties dialog may reveal metadata clues about the originating program. Context from surrounding files often points to the source application. Next, inspecting file contents. Open the FLN file in HXD hex editor or Notepad++ text editor to examine its structure. Readable text suggests text-based formats, while binary patterns may match known signatures. Compare the first bytes against file signature databases for format identification. Finally, trying universal viewers. Use File Viewer Plus or similar universal viewers that support hundreds of formats. These applications often identify and display obscure file types. If unsuccessful, contact the file sender for information about the originating application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.